Hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, we are going to talk about how to reset your own eBay password. Now for the resetting, that means that you are not going to log in into your account, which means that we are going to log out of our accounts ourselves. So let's sign out, and there we go. Let's click on sign in again, and here when you try to actually get your account back, you will find that reset to new account or reset password button, as you can see right here. So what I'm gonna do is to right click on it or left click on it, and then this will allow you to get the password. Here it is, your phone number, that they will text you a message or a code, so you can get the security code, which you will write down in the correct field. So let's receive a text in my number, and here it is, the fields. Now we just wait a couple of seconds and eBay shall text you a code. Now the code of mine is this one. They told me to do not share this code, which means it is only for myself to have. So I will just write it down and I will be right back to you guys. And here we go. Since I have written the code or the security code that they have sent to me, now I have the ability to actually write down a password. If you click once and you are using Google Chrome as your navigator, they will give you exactly a random password that they will generate for you, which is very strong in case you would like to use their services. In case you don't want, just click on choose your own and write down whatever you want. And this is how you could get your password resetted within eBay. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.